everyone, welcome to my channel and my name is Sarala. Today I want to talk about how can we improve English and how can we practice English and how can we speak in English. So today I want to talk about these topics in today's video. Without lag, let's dive into the video. Everyone wants to speak in English, but everyone said that I don't have a proper environment to speak in English and I don't have any kind of person to speak in English. It's common problem for everyone. Even I don't have any proper environment to speak in English and I don't have any partner to speak in English. And my mother tongue is Kannada. And Kannada means everyone asks me that, are you from Bangalore? No, I'm not from Bangalore. I know Telugu very well. I'm from AP. So yeah, back to our topic. I don't have any kind of proper environment to speak in English. So what I need to follow is mirror method. I think somebody knows it. Yes, I used to mirror method a lot. When we have to speak in front of the mirror, you know your gestures and also your facial expressions in the mirror, and you have to pick any kind of random topics in your daily life and describe about it in English. Then you can improve a lot while we are speaking daily. And also nowadays everyone has their own mobiles, right? So just open your video and shoot yourself in front of the mobile phone. You have to describe about any random topic and speak in English, and after that you have to listen that video. Somebody shoot their videos in their mobiles, but do not listen that video. Don't do like that, guys. When we have to shoot yourself, definitely you have to listen your video. When you have to listen that video, you know your mistakes, and also you're gonna definitely enjoy the process, because when we have to listen your voice in the mobile phone, you definitely you felt very happy on that time, because I used to a lot in my mobiles. So in my mobile phone I'll shoot myself a lot, and just you have to do it this way. You definitely enjoy the process. And everyone said that I want to speak with other person. So there are so many resources are available nowadays, like so many English learning apps is also available to speak co-learners. So the apps like Ace Fluency or TalkPaul or CV Speakify, so many apps are available. Just use it. And some apps are with free of cost, and some are a subscription. We need to pay money for those apps. So you have to use it. I always use only free of cost apps. So if you want to make a video about apps, so I definitely make a video about the apps in English. So please drop your comments in the comment section. And yeah, just practice, utilize these resources, and also practice your English with co-learners. Okay, somebody said that you learn this language in 45 days, or you learn in English or 7 days or 15 days, but practically it doesn't work out, guys. In this language we need lots of patience. We didn't learn this language in 1 or 2 days, because I used a lot while I'm learning this language. It depends on your efforts. It depends on your hard work, on your dedication. So when you have to practice daily, and you need to put your 100% efforts on it, you definitely speak very well English, and you able to speak very well English. And no need to hesitate in front of any people to speak in English. Just speak it. It could be mistake. After that you definitely rectify your mistakes one day. and I used to mistakes a lot. I rectify my mistakes day by day. So just speak in English, and you have to spend at least 30 or 15 minutes daily for speaking practice. And also, and if you want to practice more time, it depends on you. You need to practice 1 hour or a half an hour. It depends on you. Just if you want to practice, just I'm very happy from hearing from you. Just keep learning English and keep speaking in English. Yes, this is all about today's video, guys. I hope you really liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos. So if you have any doubts or queries, please let me know in the form of comments, and if you want to give any kind of assistance, please let me know in the form of comments. I'll come up with another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.